So next up, guys, got another good truck. So we have a lot of these come in, same company, guys, come from a great home. So I think they got 3 of them. They're going to sell on the same auction here, identical trucks. But this is a 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. It's got right at 270,000 miles. Obviously high mileage, guys, but they do extensive maintenance. They service them regularly. It'll come with all the service records from its whole life. They are one owner on it. They fix anything that ever needed fixed. It doesn't have any lights on the dash. This one did get a rust-free takeoff box put on it. Obviously, you'll still have some rust, rocker panels, some of those things on the truck itself. But the box is in good shape. They got the ladder rack on them, long bed trucks, guys. Crew cab, heat AC, power locks, Vortec 6-liter gas motor. This one did get new transmission put in it by Chevrolet about 55,000 miles ago. So this one did have new remanned tranny put in it. Just good, honest work truck, guys. They bring us in a lot of them. They're great trucks. So I'll have Garrett fired up, give you a nice demo. And like I said, you'll have pictures of the dash, but didn't have any lights on it. Not saying, and obviously they're high mile, anything could happen, but I just know the home these things come from. You're not going to find high mile trucks that are in any better shape. They'd have a lot of life left in them, especially putting those rust-free boxes on it. I know Chevys, that's the first place they like to rust out, is around them fender wells. And they do a pretty good job keeping these clean that way. So there's just a quick little demo, guys, on the 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Like I said, there'll be 2 other identical trucks selling on the same auction with this one. So good luck with auction time and Old 20 auctions.